Federalist No. 4. Concerning Dangers from Foreign Force and Influence, continued. November 7, 1787. By John J. From the Federalist Papers. My last paper showed that the safety of the people of America against dangers from foreign force depends not only on their forbearing to give just causes of war to other nations, but also on their placing and continuing themselves in such a situation as not to invite hostility or insult. It is too true, however disgraceful it may be to human nature, that nations in general will make war whenever they have a prospect of getting anything by it. Nay, that absolute monarchs will often make war when their nations are to get nothing by it, but for purposes and objects merely personal, such as a thirst for military glory, revenge for personal affronts, ambition, or private compacts to aggrandize or support their particular families or partisans. These and a variety of other motives, which affect only the mind of the sovereign, often lead him to engage in wars not sanctified by justice or the voice and interests of his people. But independent of these inducements to war, which are more prevalent in absolute monarchies, there are others which affect nations as often as kings, and some of them will on examination be found to grow out of our relative situation and circumstances. With France and with Britain we are rivals in fisheries, and may be so in navigation and trade. Britain has possessions in our neighborhood, and has been heretofore, and may again be our enemy. Spain also has territories adjoining ours, and as we extend our settlements, their proximity will daily increase. The savage tribes on our western frontier ought to be regarded as under the influence of foreign powers. The situation of America invites the attention of European powers. If we are united, we may counteract their intrigues. If divided, we shall invite them. If America continues united, she will probably continue to be formidable to foreign nations. If divided, she will become a prey to them. The people of America are one people in respect to language, religion, habits, and political principles. A united America, governed by one national government, will not be likely to provoke war without just cause, and will be more likely to observe the laws of nations and preserve peace. But if divided into separate confederacies, local interests and rivalries might lead to different foreign policies. One confederacy might pursue a commercial alliance with Britain, another with France. Each could be drawn into separate wars. Thus the seeds of discord and conflict would be sown among ourselves. Foreign nations would take advantage of our divisions and involve us in their quarrels. Instead of one wise and impartial government considering the interests of the whole, there would be several, each pursuing partial interests. The probability of improper wars would be multiplied. Let us not forget that peace or war will not always depend on our justice alone, but also on our apparent strength. To be respected, we must be formidable. A nation without strength invites insult. A divided America would offer temptations to ambitious powers. A united America would command respect and deter aggression. The more secure and united we are, the less likely we are to be drawn into unnecessary wars. Publius,